How are you guys doing? So today we will talk about absolute values and inequalities. So let's say that we have the absolute value of x greater than 3. So I'm going to use, first of all, greater or equal, and I'm going to give another example with less or less and equal. Okay? So we have x, absolute value of x greater than 3. So what values for x will be greater than 3? So it will be, of course, if we choose 3, cannot be because it has to be greater. Also, negative 3 also doesn't work because it has to be greater than 3, because the absolute value of negative 3 is 3, but it's not greater than 3. But I'm using only as a point of reference. Greater than 3 will be 4. The absolute value of 4 is 4 and greater than 3. Also, we can say that this will be the absolute value of negative 4. X, absolute value of negative 4 is 4, therefore is greater than 3. And we can keep listing. 5 will work, and also negative 5 will work. 6 will work, and also negative 6 will work, because the absolute value of negative 6 is 6, which is greater than 3. But these values are not included. Therefore, we can say that 3 or 4, 5, 6 are greater than 3. So the solution will be x greater than 3, or also can be less than negative 3. So x less than negative 3. Can be negative 4, can be negative 5, can be negative 6. Now, with this, we can come up with our own rule. If I have absolute value of x greater than k, so it means that x is greater than k, or x is less than negative k. That will be our general rule to solve this inequality. Let's use this example, or this rule, in order to solve an example. Let's say I have absolute value of x minus 2 greater than 5. So it means, following this rule, it means that x minus 2 is greater than 5, or x minus 2 is less than negative 5. Solving for x in each situation, I add 2 here plus 2, therefore x is greater than 7. In this case, if I add 2, I add 2 to both sides, x is less than negative 3. Now, I'm going to check this answer with my original equation. So, if x is greater than 7, so we have to choose 8 to check. 8 minus 2 is 6, and 6 is greater than 5. Works. If I have to choose another value let's say that I have to choose x greater than 7 will be 9. 9 minus 2 is 7, and 7 is greater than 5. It works. Now let's check with this result. X has to be less than negative 3. So I'm going to choose negative 4. Negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6. Absolute value of negative 6 is 6 and is greater than 5. Yes, it works. Therefore, both answers change. Now, how do I graph this inequality? X is greater than 7. So the point 7 is right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Greater than 7 will be values such as 8, 9, 10, and we will circle that, and our arrow will go to the right. I use circle because this values of x is greater than 7. It means that 7 is not included in the solution. If I have equal, in that case, I have to shade. It means that also 7 includes in the solution of x. And x less than negative 3. So negative 3 will be right here. And all the values less than negative 3 will open to the left. X is right here. And also I am using the circle empty because negative 3 is not part of the solution of x. So this is the graph of this inequation, and keep practicing.